This is the new Origem HS-3 premium Bluetooth earbuds. I have reviewed the HS-1 from Origem a while back, and I'm really big fan of the quality from this company. And today, let's check out this newcomer. As we can see in front of the box, we have the branding HS-3 and then the Origem logo. It has the actual picture of the earbuds with the earhook design. There's some branding information on the sides and some QR codes. And on the back, we can see some features. The HS-3 supports HDR algorithm. It has a rotate earhook design, voice recognition, quick charge, waterproof, and more. We can open the box by pulling this tab. And inside, we see this very nice presentation. As we lift the plastic cover, we're greeted with a quick start guide. It's basically a nice pamphlet, covers some major bullet points of the earbuds. Underneath that, we have a carrying case. Inside of this carrying case, we can see a micro USB charging cable, and a bag of accessories including ear tips in different sizes and a cable organizer. The actual earbuds are fixed inside this foam cutout. And lastly, under the earbuds, we can see a black box which contains the actual user's manual. So we can see this is the full-on user's manual printed in different languages with more details. And there's nothing else left in the box. Let's take a look at the earbuds itself. As we can see, the earbuds came without any ear tips included, so you do have to install the ear tips yourself. For me, I use the medium-sized ear tips, and if you have bigger ear canals or smaller ear canals, there's all sorts of different choices for you. The actual earbuds is pretty large in size, and will have this metal hook with a little bit of a rubber band at the end. The ear hook does swivel, so it's easy to take on and off from your ears. The cable seems really thick and sturdy. The control unit is very small, and all the buttons are covered under this rubber material. Up front, we have the multi-function button in the middle, and then volume up and down are the sound selection buttons on the side. We also have the microphone hole in the middle, and the LED indicator at the end. On the side, we can see the micro USB charging port, and it's covered by this rubber door which is water resistant. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Origem HS-3 where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. You have to appreciate the craftsmanship of the HS-3. The build quality is solid as usual from Origem. The cable is extra thick. The ear hooks are made out of metal. Even the hinges for the metal ear hooks are durable and premium. They feel and handle like a piece of expensive equipment. These ear hooks do provide extra stability for sure. And the amazing thing is, they don't pinch your ears, therefore fatiguing is out of the picture, even after hours of wearing. The earbuds are also extremely comfortable to wear, regardless of how big the earbuds look. The voice command function works wonders. No matter how fast, slow, loud, or mumble, as long as you speak the correct commands, the HS-3 execute fast and accurate. No offense, this feature even works for people with heavy accents. This is my first time seeing a feature like this on a Bluetooth earbuds, and I really enjoy using it. I'm not sure the Bluetooth version of the HS-3. It might be Bluetooth 5.0, but pairing, connect, and reconnects are super fast. Audio and video have no sync issue, great for both music and movies. The sound quality of the HS-3 feels pretty decent. I'm speaking from a consumer audio point of view. You cannot compare these with audiophile earbuds just because these have a higher price tag. The HS-3 uses 10mm drivers, mids and highs are clear, bass is punchy with reasonable separation, perfect for pop genre music. I'm not sure what's HDR algorithm. I think they're referring this as DSP adjustment, which in this case the HS-3 does a pretty good job adjusting frequency responses in different volume. I'm pretty surprised about one thing when I went through the user's manual. In this section, you can clearly see these earbuds support firmware update, which is pretty much unheard of in budget earbuds market. Again, I'm glad that Origem cares about their customers. With reviewers like us supporting them, I hope they'll have better firmwares over time. Quick charge is supported on the HS-3, up to 4 times faster than regular earbuds. The HS-3 is able to get charged full in about 40 minutes. 10 minutes charging can support up to 2 hours of playtime. Needless to say, these earbuds are also rated IPX5 water resistant. One quirky feature of the HS-3 again, after browsing the manual, when your device is in camera app, press the plus button on the earbud, it'll act as a remote shutter button. Pretty nice. And here's some cons as well. One of the voice command can activate your intelligent voice assistant. Basically, if you say hello voice cue, the earbuds will activate Siri or Google Assistant. However, the voice assistant cannot be activated by voice command if music is playing. You must command pause music first, then command hello voice cue. You can still activate the voice assistant by physically press the multifunction button twice, regardless your music is playing or not. I don't know if this problem occurs in Apple iOS devices. At least Android devices have this problem. Due to the metal ear hook design, it might interfere with your glasses legs if you're a glasses user, especially when you're in motion. the metal hook rubs against the glass's legs quite constantly. However, you can push the ear hooks forward a little bit to solve the problem. The max volume on the HS-3 is not as loud as other popular low-budget earbuds. Still, the range is usable for all environment though. So overall, I am quite impressed with the new HS-3. These are definitely not the cheapest earbuds you're gonna find on the market, but they do offer premium quality and some very interesting features. If you'd like to learn more about the HS-3 earbuds, feel free to click the link in the description down below. I will also include some pretty nice discount code if you're interested in buying one. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as usual, I will see you next time.